Moving forward, a preferred gluten-free diet or allergy is becoming increasingly more common. Bucuti and Tata Beach Resort's Elements restaurant offers a menu with that in mind. A lifelong gluten-free diet is necessary for those who suffer from celiac disease, also referred to as celiac sprue and gluten-sensitive enteropathy. Two popular claims of a gluten-free diet are weight loss and increased energy, but there may be other reasons why individuals experience those benefits. Bucuti and Tata Beach Resort's Elements restaurant recognizes that diners with a gluten-free diet or allergy should still be able to have a wide variety of options, as well have the luxury in indulging in delicious meals. Reason being why Elements restaurant specializes in catering to diet preferences and offering a creative gluten-free menu. From appetizers to meat or fish entrees, Elements menu is diverse. Individuals with certain dietary needs will be granted to dine in satisfaction. Guests at Elements restaurant are not limited to what they can eat, whether the patron has a gluten-free preference or not. With a beautiful ocean view setting, modern decor, friendly staff, and delicious food, Elements restaurant is keeping up with modern-day trends and patrons' dietary concerns. Visit Bucuti.com and search dining for more information regarding Elements restaurant.